this here. Pretty good. Okay. Which way is he gonna go? This way? Or this way? Or this way?
He said you. He wanted you to say you.
You found me. Okay. Which way should I go? This way? Or this way? Or that way? I don't go this way. You found me again. Hi again. Okay. I'm gonna hide. Real good place. I'm gonna hide. Should I go this way? Or that way? Or this way? I go this way.
Hi. Where's Giga?
Say Marco.
You found me. You're good.
Wait,
I'm so tired.
can Giga take a nap?
Okay. One more time. Okay? Which way should Giga go? This way? Or this way? Or that way? And you go this way. You found me. You're so good.
All done, Heidi.
Hiding. All done. That was fun.
Is Giga fun?
Oh,
Yeah.
that was fun. That was a good game.